Okay folks, this is a impromptu, unplanned unboxing of God Complex 1/7 scale handcrafted figure. Yeah, I'll just jump straight into it and not delay for too long. So for folks who have just tuned in, thanks for tuning in. Impromptu unboxing. So today we're going to take a look at God Complex 1/7 scale handcrafted figure. We're going to look at the box first. I initially wanted to record this off, not live, but yeah, the format is perfect for live in the portrait format. So it's Anubis, the first figure that's released, that has been released from IMCMPLX. Very nice. This is a wonderful box, which I'll take a closer look when I edit this for YouTube. But here we look at this figure, trying to figure out how to open. Okay, it's a slide open box. Let me see if I can sort this out. Not shaking the camera too much. Ooh, okay. Okay, so opening is here. So just be a bit careful when I slide open. Don't want to spoil. Okay, I put it down. Nice. Nice. Let me put this here in the background to block the nonsense in the background. Yeah, can't really block. Great like this. Against my new drapes in the background. So nice. Let's put this up. My thanks to Brian Le. Wonderful piece. Very nicely done. Comes with a card. This is an open sheet. We're going to see what's inside later on. This is underneath, but first I'll look at the card that comes with this. Very nice. Number 35 out of a 50. This is a 50-piece edition. The first figure released from their new Statuette line. Okay, 34 out of 50. God Complex Anubis. This is the figure that you're looking at. This is a regular card print, not a credit card print as I thought it might look like. It's a regular thick card print. Oh, this is cool. Proof of authenticity. So this is it. Handwritten 034. Okay, 034. Okay, let me take this out. So this is a sheet over it. And let's see what's underneath. Well, the camera is reacting straight away and brightens up. Yeah, this is the figure. This is the figure. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lay it down to unbox. So not to cause anything unfortunate. Nice, okay, okay. This is the figure. There's a piece here. Let me sort this out what this is. And this is the inside. I'm looking for instructions. There isn't. I think underneath, I'm guessing it might come with a base. Yes, it does. Because when I blogged about it, it had a base. So underneath, there is a base. Let me take all of these out first. Okay, that's it. No further stuff inside. Okay, let's assemble this dude. I'm trying to figure out what this does. Oh, maybe this is what holds the face in. Yeah, without caving in. No, I'm trying to see. Sorry, I saw it off camera. Yeah, I'll figure out what that is later on. Sorry, I'm sweating like a dog. Anyway, so this is the entirety of the figure. This is the base. I will assume this is the front. Let's look at the base first. Let's look at the base first. Relief. You can see the word Anubis. And the text. Nice, decent look, man. Solid piece. Numbered below as well. So this is pretty awesome, man. Nice. Nice. It's a steady, heavy piece. It's a figure. So let me put it on the stand. And there it is. Nice, man. Nice. So I'm reviewing this. I'm not selling this. I think it is sold out on the IMCMPLX website. So we managed to snag this. Cool. The second figure is currently released for pre-order as well, Athena. I'm not sure if it's still available. You gotta check out IMCMPLX bigcartel.com. I'll put a link in the description later on after this review when I load this on my IGTV page. Yeah. Okay, let's have a closer look at the figure itself. Let me see if I can come closer. Can tilt down a little bit. Now maybe tilt out now. Yeah, tilt out a little bit. As you can see from the details are amazing. I mean, yeah, I wanted to do handheld, but I don't think that'll work. So maybe this is a bit more steady. Later we'll take different views. Nice. I'll do a slow turnaround. So this is solid resin. There's no articulation on the figure. Solid resin, pre-painted. But you can see the details and the prints are phenomenal. Yeah, none of this moves. It might look like it can move, but no, it does not move. So don't attempt to do anything with it. As I'm doing right now, it's all firmly fixed. Wow. Oh, sorry, let me take this foam away. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm saying nice because it is nice. Nothing beyond that, because this is what I think it is. Does look like. Pretty awesome. I'm filming this off my iPhone, so I apologize if the details are not as clear as I would love it to be. As all toys are to me, it's one thing when you see on camera, low res, high res, another when you see in person. So I can say right now in person, this is pretty rock and roll, man. Let me see if I can take the figure up, because I want to let you see the bottom. Can you see? Let me brighten up. Can I brighten up? Yeah, not as much. But the details as well in his teeth. Underneath his helmet. So the design is pretty cool. Let me... Gila Gorilla. Yes, this is a... not... I can't say new, but they've been around for a while. IMCMPLX. Let me put this down and do a bit of pitching for my friend here. IMCMPLX is the line, the series, where basically the creator Brian Lerd adapts how is it popular? Gods of different pantheons into urban characters. The company is IMCMPLX. Here, he has down here. Yeah, this is the shop you can go to. go to Brian Le. There isn't. I'll put a link again. It's one thing when, and I mentioned it online. Another when I show it, that you can literally read it. Website, you can see his illustrations. These were all born from his illustrations into actual characters. Now coming back to the figure, let's check out the shoes. This is the one thing I love about God Complex figures lah. Besides the obvious awesome urban design, futuristic to a degree, the shoes as well are pretty kick-ass lah. I mean, I don't know if anybody here knows of my addiction to 1/6 scale toys before even designer toys. That's how TOYSREVIL started. I was heavily into 1/6 scale urban design figures, and one of my quirks were shoes, 1/6 scale shoes. This isn't 1/6 scale, this is 1/7 scale. So 1/6 scale probably will be a bit taller, but as a statuette in 1/7 scale, this works perfectly. This is the bottom of the shoe. Sorry, I'm not speaking it in order. I just say what I see. So bear with me. So yeah, it attaches onto the base, but yes, you can easily remove. But hopefully not too much scraping. You don't want to scrape too much. See if any paint scrapes off. But yeah, this is the figure. Wow. I mean, yeah, let me take out and have a closer look again. I can't stop looking at the details. I'm afraid my camera might not necessarily have enough details. Look at this hand. The orange is a magnificent neon day glow sort of color, and this is all sculpt. Clean, exactly, bro. Clean. It is clean. I've been looking. To be fair, I've been constantly trying to look for faults, and I know I shouldn't, but I think to be fair, I should as well. There's a little bit of chip here, but other than that, everything else is spotlessly clean. Look at the joints. If this is hand painted, it's also pretty clean here, and the details you can see from the zipper details to the folds to the text, like even the lapels. A bit of unevenness here, but that's fair for a figure of this size. And I have to say, this is an original design. It's not based off of any particular media. It is an original design and very nicely designed. The only media folks might have seen is actually the comic book adaptation of God Complex. Yes, there is a comic book adaptation, I think printed under Image Comics. I can't remember which year, but the characters from the God Complex were adapted into a comic book printed by Image Comics. So if you're talking about media, yes, that is the media you might have seen. But yeah, these original designs, oh man, I need to see. Can you see? Wow, can you see? I mean, I can see in person, but the details of the print here, awesome lah. Yeah, maybe a bit close up of. Apologize in advance again. My iPhone 6, 7, 8 exactly cutting it in terms of peak high definition quality. A nice little detail with the X at the shoes. But yeah, it's awesome enough. Anubis is the first figure in the RLC figure line. RLC figure line. It is all resin unarticulated, non-articulated figure, 1/7 scale. And it's awesome. Thanks again, Brian. Epic lah. I'm trying to sort out where to display this. And Athena is the second figure to be released. I imagine a whole pantheon of all these characters lined up. Modern idols, you know. Oh, I think this is it. But modern idols of gods that are familiar by name, but characters are different. I always love the concept of this. Let's have a look again at the proof of authenticity. Is this card Mine is number 34 out of 50. So very limited, very cool. The number is not indicated on the figure itself, but it's indicated on the base. If you missed it just now, let me show it to you again. Thank goodness it stands by itself. This is the base with the number. So the number on the base corresponds with the card, which is cool. So the number is not on the figure itself, but on the base, in the base. Wow, okay. And that is my review of, what's that so far? Oh my gosh, I'm doing this on my kitchen table with brand new drapes at the back. Anyway, this is my review of God Complex Anubis. And thank you all for watching. I apologize again because this was an impromptu review, and I'll post this on my IGTV channel page and re-edit it from my YouTube. Thank you for watching.